So over here, you can see that I have a video clip right here, which plays in a certain way. So you can see that the camera fans from the top to bottom and the people are walking in correct direction right here. But if you want to go around and change around the video into a reverse video, then you can easily do that by clicking on the video clip that you want to work with, and then by clicking on properties right here. So once you do that, you can see that reverse option is here. So if you were to click on reverse, you can choose around the quality of the video right here according to how you want and press OK. So once you do that, what happens is that the video starts getting converted right here, as you can see. So a reverse version of video is being created over here. And in my case, this is a fairly short video, so it is taking very less amount of time. But in case you have a longer video, it does take a bit of time. But still, you can see that it is taking a bit of time right here. So I'm just going to skip to the part where the video is completed in processing. So the video has completed processing, and if I were to play this out, now you can see that the video has been reversed right here. So what it actually done is it replaced out the video with a converted video right here. So whenever you press the reverse button, then what happens is that it converts and regenerates out another video which is reverse. So now you can see that everything has been reversed right here. The cars are moving backward, the people are moving backward right here. And at the end, the camera pans up right here, which was in the original, it was actually the reverse right here. So that is how you can reverse out a video inside of Shotcut. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.